Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. And I also want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, because today is Christmas Eve, but tomorrow will be Christmas and I won't be uploading any videos tomorrow. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this really cute wreath cake, which I'll be serving tomorrow for my family. So if you guys want to see how I made this, make sure to stick around. And it's quick and easy that you guys can literally make it either today or tomorrow before all your friends and family come. So I will be showing you everything that I use for this cake, as well as, guys, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. So I want to thank every single one of you who have subscribed, who have supported. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And make sure to hit that notification bell because, guys, I will be doing a giveaway starting next year once I do reach my 100 subscriber. So I'm really excited about that, so you don't want to miss out on it. So without further ado, well, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so what you're going to need for this cake is some cake mix. And I love using Pillsbury, so that's my go-to. So you're just going to follow instructions. So 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, and a cup of water. You're going to also, well, you definitely don't need this, but I decided to add some dark chocolate into my cake mix. It's just a preference of mine. You definitely don't have to do that. And that's it. Alright guys, so what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and open up your cake mix. And you're just going to dump it into the bowl, as so. And pretty much follow your instructions. And that's pretty much it. So now that the cake is pretty much cool, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna flip it and you're gonna cut the bottom half. So that way you make the cake nice and even. I will not be filling this cake because it's not thick enough for me to fill. So I'm just gonna layer it with icing. So let me just get my cake board, well, my spin table, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cut. Food coloring, so I am using this from Walton, which is a juniper green, which is perfect. So just gonna open it up and grab as much as you need. The more you use, the darker the color becomes. So again, it's just dependent on your preference on the color you want to go for. And that's pretty much it. And you're just gonna go ahead and mix it until it's the right color and it's uniform. And then we're just gonna ice our cake. Alright guys, so now that you're done icing, you're going to get a piping bag. And you're just going to cut the tip of it. And then you're going to add your tip as well to it. So I am using, again, another Wilton. This tip you don't necessarily have to use. I did have a tip specifically for this project, but I guess I must have thrown it away by accident while I had my groceries. I'm not really sure. So now you're going to go ahead and fill your bag with the icing, and then you're going to just start piping. Alright guys, so now onto the bow. You're going to get some red fondant, kind of mess with it a bit till it's nice and soft. So I'm going to break it up in halves. So half of it's going to be a bow and the other half I'm going to use it as a tail. So you're just going to go ahead, get your roller and roll the fondant until it becomes straight. Then you're just going to grab your cutter and you're just gonna cut like a ribbon, and you'll see. Alright guys, so that concludes our video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. As well as, don't forget to subscribe again. And if you guys are wondering where I got my lashes, I did get them at glowcreationcosmetics.com. I will have the links down below so you guys can order your very own lashes, as well as use my promo code. Everything will be linked down below. As well, guys, I just want to wish you a Merry Christmas as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Until next time, guys. Bye.